Myself, Diwakar Narayan Lal. I'm a mechanical engineer working in Qatar from last 16 years. We work in several organizations here in Qatar with the consulting, and we basically the field of construction, where we do all kind of design services to provide the contractors, to support the contractors, technical, mechanical. Design map we came in the picture in 2017 when we are about to finish our assignment with a company where we work for the Lusail Tram design services for the company, working with a British consultant called Kandal, and most of the design was finished and the construction was in a very fast swing process to complete, to achieve the target for FIFA World Cup, which was our aim to give all the facilities before FIFA to be started, all the services to be running in running condition, to provide a facility for all the world. When they will come, they will have a best facility in Qatar to watch the football matches. So it came in the picture that all those who was professionals working together, so work was finished, so we have to do something for that, and we thought we also have to be a part of FIFA and it was a very long period from there, from 17 to 22. So we decided what next has to be done. So we decided, why not we have to form a company, a group of professionals where all those are having a good engineering background, technical background. So all together we come together, and after finishing our job, so we decided to form a company to support the technical advising to the contractor, whoever it is required, and we established. That was the first step came in our mind.
Yeah.
In 2017 was a challenging year for us. We realized that there is a situation in the market to support to the contractor, to all those technical team. So we, because all of us was in a different countries, all 15 engineers was in a different country. So we decided, why not we have to get resources from our own country to support here the contractors. So in that way we started planning. It was taken some few weeks to get the planning done, and then we come to the conclusion, yes, we can have a company, and all those our engineers were from India, Pakistan, Philippines, Nepal, Bangladesh. So we thought it was a good time to support the contractor here, and the technical whatever supports we can provide them from the other parts of the world, to get everything successfully completed. That was the first meeting of our agenda of our formation of the company. Then we decided how to form the company. Then we realized that we cannot open our own firm without having a local partner. So we approached to how to find out the local partner, because we are in a we are not that contact in the local. We work as a employee in a company. Now we want to be a entrepreneur. So we thought how to get the local partners. Then we approached to the PRO companies we have to have a local partner, and we gone through 3-4 people to meet them, grade them, find out the solution, because everybody was to have some supports from everyone. Without supports nothing can be done. Then we find out the local partners, and then after the then we given our presentation to the local partner what exactly we are going to do. So then he says, yes, it's a good idea, you can have all of you are from different parts of the company, and then he says, okay, I will support you, I will give you my sponsorship, and we will do best whatever we can do for the country. So then we started from there. Then we started to registration of the company. We submitted our papers to the authority to get the registration done in the, and from there we started working on that. Then we started to going into the market to get the people, our contacts, whoever it was in that. Ultimately we got good jobs in the market, and we started working with the people, going here and there, and that was the then we realized what is called employee and what is called employer. Then we realized that how the people's work exactly. Earlier we used to work, what's problem, it's a I am not we don't have that much of responsibility. When we started the company, then we realized that what is new experience in the life. Then we know what is called responsibility. Like when you are young, you don't have, when you get married, when you have wife, children, a spouse, then you will get the responsibility. The same thing in the business. We realize that business is a baby. As long as you will take care of your business will grow in a good manner. If you will not take care, it will not grow. See, we are one point solution. We can give the complete solution for any of the clients. Basic things is the engineering. We do the engineering for any kind of engineering which is required. We do the acoustic, we do the sound, we do the CFD analysis, we do the design of the building services, we can give you a wide range of opportunity to, if you can come to us, we can from the scratch to build and give you a key in your hand. This is your promises. What is your concept? Your concept or client concept, we will make in a reality. If somebody is having a plot and he wanted to build something and he don't have idea how to get this built, so we can give a proper layout from where to start, how to get the authority approval, because in Qatar, without having the authority approval, you cannot proceed for any construction. It is illegal. So we have to get the design done, we have to have the consultant to get an approval from the authority, get the building permit, and then it has to be executed, contractor on board, supervision consultant, and then this has to be built according to the requirement of Qatar specific standard. So that standard has to comply and get the build things done, get the authority approval before to get into the building. So we can provide a all in one solution from design, build and handover. So we have a joint venture MOU we signed with the different consultant, contractor, and to provide our services as a technical services. What best technical services we can provide, we will provide to the client. The basic things is that building construction is a different kind of component can be used. There is a civil, there is a architectural, there is a mechanical, there is electrical. So we have all kind of engineers, our in-house. We design, we can support to construction and get things done. Specialize that we do very specific things which is peoples will They are also doing that, but we can give you the reliability of those product which will come back to the final product. Like CFD analysis is a very specific thing. It is coming from since long time for the which is required for the civil defense Qatar here to do these things. This was a very unique, and we do in-house CFD analysis, a stress analysis for the structure, pipeline, gas pipeline, water, fuel pipeline. We do the stress analysis, which will be a here in everybody cannot do those things. These are the specialized things which we do in-house. We have in-house, we have the architect who can select the we select the materials to check with the client what exactly he's looking. If you see the interior finishes, it's everyone has their own colors, selection of colors, selection of materials. So the architect, our architect is with the coordination with the client, what exactly is how he has to look. Everybody has their own perspective in mind, that my house has to look like this, desire of the how it's look like. When you are entering into a 5-star hotel, you see a wow. So those concepts come from the client, from the architect, but the material has to be come from the client, that yes, I want to get this kind of material, so it's look when you enter into the building, premises, villa, palace. So he has to, when you enter, it should be like a unique things has to be come in the mind. See, the strategy for the future to establish in the 4 bigger and the far more broader way in the, we are planning for to do some the maintenance in the market. In the maintenance, there is a sort of maintenance companies here which they are not too much specialized with the services. So we are planning to develop in next few months to have a maintenance facility management team with the professional engineers who are in a field from different countries. We are trying to bring them to have facility management for the building, not for the hotels. Hotels, they have their own team for the maintenance. We are looking for the high-rise buildings where the offices building, which is to maintain in a very professional manner. To generally what's happened when the season changes, there will be a temperature change, humidity change, which was it will give a impact to the today you are in a different weather condition, after 1 week there will be a different weather condition. So according to the premises what you are adjusting the things, but sometimes you forget to do that. So today someone else is there in that room, someone other will be in the other room. So different kind of scenario to maintain, it can be done by only the facility management. They can provide you what is your requirement. Just you have to tell, I need this one. They can come, they can, without disturbing your business, your office, your timing, they will come and they will do it and they will go. So you feel comfortable. Our motto is to give a comfort condition to the people who is working in that particular area, to provide best facility. See, first of all, we are grateful for them, because without their supports, we cannot survive here in Qatar. The safety and security, I find out Qatar is the best place in this, whatever I visited to the place, best safety and security arrangement I find out. In very fraction of second, if you have any services required, ambulance in 1 minute, 2 minutes, maximum 5 minutes, ambulance at your doorstep, whenever we seen in the corona situation, whenever somebody was get things done immediately within fraction of minute, the services was available, and the best facility I ever seen in my life. First of all, my parents and my family members. Without their supports, we cannot be here. Their supports are on the top level. I salute my parents to supported me, my wife, my brother, my brother-in-law, my sister. They supported me to grow my business.